F me. What's up, YouTube? It's Stank. Just checking in. It's been a little while since I've done my last video, but I've been extremely busy, and then of course all these trying times, changing world events, all that good stuff with COVID-19 and the coronavirus. Wanted to check in, say what's up to everybody. Hopefully you all are staying safe. I've been doing alright, just working a lot, taking care of the family, trying to follow all the directives that have been put in place. This is my first time in like 2 weeks getting on the bike, and I usually commute on it every day, so I do kind of miss riding right now. But obviously riding is second place to our health and well-being. With that being said, I hope you all are doing well. If you are new to the channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Check out some of my other videos. I mostly have S1000R content. I got some install videos, some reviews, and some other good stuff like that. So if you wouldn't mind checking it out, that'd be awesome. Looks like I'm gonna run into some rain, so I'm about to turn around and head the opposite way because I don't have time for that. And it looks like it's gonna start raining hard, which sucks. I was hoping to go up to Tantalus real quick. Pretty secluded spot. Easy to make sure I'm staying distance from others and just being kind of isolated, even though it's not too hard on a bike. So let's hope it doesn't start pouring on me, because that would suck. Let's see, where to ride to now. The nice thing about riding in the rain here is it doesn't suck too bad. You know, it's warm. Well, I guess this isn't really rain right now, so let's hope I can dry off the lens enough to keep it somewhat usable footage. There we go, my dude, let's go. Should be good in a minute or two, hopefully. Alright, now where were we? Look at that sun right there. And all that rain back there. I don't know if you can see it, but there was a little rainbow right there. I'm trying to see if I can get that in editing. May or may not have been able to pick that up. See, just like that, right away from the rain. Guess I should have went this way to begin with. Hey, what's up? What's up? Alright, so I guess that's it for the coronavirus update. Stay safe, y'all. Try to stay indoors, sanitize, practice your social distancing, and hopefully they find a vaccine for this, and we can go back to life a little bit more normal than it is now. So y'all take care. Thanks for checking in. Y'all have a good weekend, and aloha.